Hello everyone, how are you?
We are fine.
I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Okay, after this class, now I would like to ask you some question. You, can you stand up? Okay, tell me something about yourself.
Hi, this is Raji. I read in class 5 in Bottom Basic Academy. My father name is Mohammad Minazuddin. He is an assistant professor. My mother name is Razia. He is a assistant teacher.
In primary school? Okay, thank you very much. Sit down. And now I am going to someone. And you, can you stand up?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you tell me something about yourself? Okay,
Yes, sir.
at first I am asking that you will just answer. What would you like to be in your future?
I would like to be in future as an engineer.
An engineer. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, you, can you stand up?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color red and green.
Red and green. Why especially red and green?
Red because bloody war in 1971.
Okay, red represent the blood in 1991,
Yes.
71. Okay, and why green?
Because my country is evergreen.
Our country is evergreen. Is it very, very true? Okay, thank you very much. You can sit. Now, you. What's your hobby?
My hobby is gardening.
Gardening. Do you have any garden?
Yes.
How many plants are there?
About 30.
30. Okay, maybe they are flower plants? Flower?
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. We can see very handsome man. Do you want to tell me something about you? How many brothers you have? Do you have any brother and sister? What?
Brother.
Brother. How old is he? How old is he?
I am 12 years.
12. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay. Oh, we can see there are some female students here. Okay. You, the most beautiful one. What's your name?
My name is Raisa.
Okay. Can you tell me your mother's name or father's name?
My mother's name is Nargis Hossain. My father's name is Anwar Hossain.
Thank you very much. Sit down. And we can see another female student. What's your name?
My name is Cynthia.
What would you like to be in your future? Doctor? Engineer? Or what? What?
Doctor.
Doctor. This girl wants to be a doctor. Okay, thank you. Sit down. And we can see another pretty girl. What's your name?
My name is Momi.
What?
My name is Momi.
Momi. Momi is a beautiful name. What would you like to be in your future?
I would like to be in future DC officer. DC officer.
DC officer. That means district officer. DC means what? Deputy commissioner. Okay, thank you very much. And I want to talk about you. What's your name and what's your dream? What's your dream? What?
My name is Namira Sultana.
Name is Namira Sultana. Do you have any dream or hobby?
My hobby is gardening.
Your hobby is also gardening. Okay. To make a garden means you are a good man, you are a good woman, your mind are fresh. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you everyone. I think the class is very wonderful. We want everyone speak English because without speak English, we are not totally fit. Okay. The very important thing of a student is to learn how to speak in English because we know English is an international language. If you want to go abroad, then you must speak English because everyone understand English in every country, but our mother tongue, Bengali is spoken only in Bangladesh and in some other country like India, in Assam and West Bengal. Bengali is spoken, but English is spoken in all over the world because it is our international language. That's why your teacher are forcing you to learn English, because in our higher classes all the books of higher education are written in English. That's why English is a very, very important and essential thing to learn. Thank you very much. I hope you all understand and will be okay. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thanks.